We back. Another day, another dollar. Joel here.
Acquisitions Lou here.
So today we're gonna discuss how to come up with the best cash offer for fire damaged property. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're here at the whiteboard. So today, as we said before, we're gonna speak about how to come up with an offer for a fire damaged property, right? You wanna wholesale it. So what we do, and this is our secret, it's not rocket science, super easy, all right? So what we do is we take the ARV, after repair value. You're gonna find this by using comparables. There's a ton of videos on YouTube. Take the ARV times 70%, right? Because investors wanna make 30%. You gotta care about what they're making. Because if they win, they're gonna do repeat business with you. Minus, always assume 100K rehab per 1,000 square feet. Always assume that. So that's gonna give you your offer. So let's do an example, right? Property in, let's say, Texas. It's worth 500K after repaired, right? Times 70%. I don't know what that is. That's probably like 300 something. Minus 100K rehab. Because let's say the property is 1,200 square feet. So we'll just assume 100K rehab for easy math. Really, it should be 120. So we'll just take 120. And then let's say your offer is 350K minus 120K. That's gonna give you 230K. So 230K is your MAO, your maximum allowable offer. Did it backwards. Maximum allowable offer, MAO. Did it backwards, but we good, right? This is the max you can offer. If you can get the seller anywhere below this, you're gonna win. If you can get the seller at 130K, you can go sell this contract for 230K, and that's how you make $100,000 on your assignment fee, right? And this is the goal, because this kind of salary, to make this, you go to school for 4 years, you bust your butt, finals, midterms, all the time, just to make this in a year, when you can make this kind of money on one contract. If you follow us, we'll do all we can to help you get to this number, right? One contract. All it takes is one contract. We've done it plenty of times. So that's it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna reiterate this. This is very simple. It's not easy. So to get a lead that's willing to sell at such a deep discount, there's a few things that go in place. The key, number one thing, is the lead generation and the acquisitions. I know it's two things, but they go hand in hand, right? So the way you reached out to the lead is going to determine how you speak to them. So because we typically have inbound sellers that raise their hand saying they want to sell, we speak to them in a different way. We try to work backwards. What's your goal? What are you looking for, right? So we typically start at where they're looking for. But the acquisitions, follow the channel. Lewis is going to be giving a lot of value on how to talk to sellers to get them this low. So if you guys want to just see how we do this, follow the channel, like, subscribe, join our Facebook group. That's where all the value is gonna be, right? We skip trace the fire damage list and we give it to you free. It doesn't get any better than that. Who else is doing that, right? We want you guys to win. So we'll give you guys a ton of value over the course of our journey to win together, and hopefully we can hit this magic number together. All right, peace.